If you and your significant other have called it quits, you might wonder how to make them regret their decision. There are many reasons why people end things. A typical disagreement can lead to an unexpected breakup. It's only natural to want to see them again. If you were together for a long time, the gap they leave might be impossible to fill. You may not want to make the first move, though, because of how your ex is feeling mentally. Although it may seem impossible, there are ways to make your ex miss you and try to come back. Here in this video, we will discuss 11 of those methods. Number 11. Don't get mad. Get even mentality. After a breakup, always remember this. Some people might say that revenge is a dish best served cold. But let's face it, there are times when being vengeful feels good. First of all, yelling and self-destruction won't solve anything. Even though post-breakups can be emotionally taxing, you shouldn't use them as an excuse to put yourself at a disadvantage. It's time to get out of bed and take action if you want your ex to miss you. You need to remember that the person who survives the breakup is usually the one who comes out stronger in the end. So, stop feeling sorry for yourself and start planning your revenge. Cry a lot, then gather yourself. This way of thinking will empower you, which will be the first step in making them miss you and regain your power. Number 10. Don't be too available. Being too available after a breakup will only push your ex further away. You subconsciously tell them that you are not okay with a breakup by continuously texting, calling, or emailing them. Instead of being strong and confident, you will come across as needy and desperate. This will only make your ex less attracted to you and more certain of their decision to leave. If you want to make your ex miss you, it is vital to give them space. Let them know that you are okay with the breakup and moving on with your life. This will make them realize what they are missing and eventually return to you. Number 9. Get back in shape. If you were together for a long time, chances are you got comfortable and let yourself go a little bit. Getting back in shape is not only good for your health, but it will also make you feel more confident. This newfound confidence will show through when you are around your ex. They will see that you have moved on and are taking care of yourself. This will make them regret their decision to break up with you. Number 8. Make them think you are done with them. This powerful human emotion can make people do things they would not normally do. It will trigger their jealousy if you can make them think that you have moved on and are happy without them. If you act like you are over the breakup, your ex will wonder if they made a mistake. To pull this off, you must completely erase your ex from your life. Delete them from social media, stop talking about them, and act like they never existed. This is easier said than done, but it is possible. Number 7. It's time for a change. To make your ex miss you, you must undergo a significant change. You would have never done something entirely out of the ordinary while together. You can move to a new city or get the new car you've been eyeing for years. Buy some new clothes, give yourself a new hairstyle, and go out more often. A different hairstyle will let your ex see this by posting pictures on social media. Creating a large chance will ultimately show your ex that you are progressing with your life, resulting in some type of reaction from them. Your ex will want to be involved with these changes because they reflect positive growth. Anyone would like to associate themselves with someone making better decisions and working towards improvement. Just make sure the transformation won't put too much strain on your finances. The last thing you want to do is purchase a brand new car only to be stuck with an auto loan that's more than you can afford. Number 6. Don't post depressing statuses on social media platforms. When you're going through a breakup, it's important to remember that your social media platforms are not your diary. Posting depressing statuses or pictures of yourself looking sad will only push your ex further away. Instead, try to focus on the positive things in your life. Post pictures of yourself having fun with friends or write about what you're looking forward to in the future. This will remind your ex of the happy times you had together and they'll start to miss being a part of your life. If you can stay positive and keep your ex on your mind, they'll surely come back to you in no time. Number 5 method to make your ex miss you after a breakup: keep occupied. One of the worst things you can do after a breakup is to sit around and mope all day. This will only make you feel worse and will give your ex the satisfaction of knowing that they've gotten to you. Instead, try to keep yourself occupied as much as possible. Take a new hobby, go out with friends, or volunteer for a local charity. Keeping yourself busy will not only make the time go by faster, but it will also show your ex that you're moving on with your life. They'll start to wonder why you're doing so well without them, and they may even miss being a part of your life. Number 4, make a new circle of friends. Once you take your focus off your ex, they will be drawn back to you. This is where meeting new friends come in clutch. If you want your ex to miss you, get a bit out of your comfort zone. Maintaining a robust support system with the pals you have made over time is critical. Still, it can't hurt to expand your social circle and make some fresh friends. A social calendar will keep you busy, so you're not left alone to think about your ex. If they see that you're meeting other friends, it may light a fire under them to try and work things out before you meet someone who takes their place in your heart. Number 3, resist the urge to be sensitive. Being sensitive after a breakup will only make you look weak and pathetic in your ex's eyes. If you spent the entire relationship being a doormat, then it's no wonder they left you. So, instead of wallowing in your sorrows and trying to beg for them back, take this opportunity to show them what they're missing out on. Be strong and confident, and resist the urge to text or call them every 5 minutes. Show them that you can't live without them and that you're doing just fine. Pretty soon, they'll be the ones begging for you back. Number 2 method to make your ex miss you after breakup: do not initiate contact. After a breakup, it can be challenging to know what to do. You may feel various emotions, including sadness, anger, and loneliness. It can be tempting to reach out to your ex to make them miss you. However, studies have shown that initiating contact after a breakup can worsen things. Instead of trying to make your ex miss you, focus on taking care of yourself. Give yourself time to mourn the end of the relationship and then move on. Spend time with your friends and family and do things that make you happy. As you focus on your happiness, your ex will miss you. Last but not least, be happy. This is probably the most important thing you can do if you want your ex to miss you. If you're miserable, they can see it a mile away. Instead of moping around and feeling sorry for yourself, try to focus on the positive things in your life. Be happy and let your happiness radiate. Soon, your ex will miss the happy, carefree person they used to be with. Proving something to other people is unnecessary and counterproductive. Suppose your objective is to get your ex back. In that case, the methods mentioned earlier will eventually help you reach that goal. Make sure that your partner actually cares about you and isn't just using you as a backup option while they search for someone better. The best way to confirm this is to ask your boyfriend or girlfriend directly. Stop wasting time focusing on people and things you can't change, and start living for yourself. If there's no chance of rekindling a relationship, it's not worth your time. Once you begin enjoying who you are, you won't want to waste your time on people who didn't value you in the first place. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you and goodbye.